Are you looking for an easy way to track and organize customer feedback in SuiteDash? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how SuiteDash can help you streamline your customer feedback process, but we'll also explore a few things that might make you think twice before fully committing to SuiteDash. Stick around because we've got an exclusive offer for you at the end, and I'm going to reveal some better alternatives that could take your customer feedback game to the next level. Now, SuiteDash is known for being an all-in-one business software. It's packed with tools for CRM, project management, and, of course, tracking customer feedback. But how well does it really handle feedback tracking and organization? Let's find out. First off, SuiteDash lets you collect customer feedback through customizable forms and surveys. These can be easily integrated into your website or sent by email. The ability to tailor these forms is great, especially for businesses that need specific types of feedback. However, the process of setting up these forms can be a bit clunky for beginners. You might find yourself spending more time than you expected getting everything just right. Not a huge deal, but something to consider if you're looking for an easy, user-friendly setup. Next thing, once your forms are ready and feedback starts rolling in, SuiteDash helps you organize that information. The platform allows you to categorize feedback based on different criteria like project status or client priority. This is useful for keeping everything organized, especially when feedback starts to pile up. But, and here's the catch, SuiteDash doesn't offer a particularly intuitive system for tagging and sorting that feedback. You'll need to spend some time refining your workflow to keep things from getting messy. The fourth thing to consider is the reporting capabilities. SuiteDash does provide some reporting options that let you analyze the feedback you've collected, but it's not as robust as what you might find with other platforms. If you need detailed analytics or visual graphs to make informed decisions, SuiteDash might not give you everything you're hoping for. This is where the software starts to show its limits. Now, you might be wondering, what else is out there? Well, there are other tools that offer better customer feedback management. One standout option is competitor software. Unlike SuiteDash, it provides more flexible and intuitive tools for collecting, organizing, and analyzing feedback. Plus, its reporting tools are top-notch and much easier to use. But before you make the jump, let me share something exclusive with you. By using our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial of SuiteDash, along with some exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. But we also highly recommend exploring competitor software as it offers a more streamlined and powerful solution for tracking and organizing customer feedback. Remember, it's all about finding the right tool for your needs. SuiteDash has its merits, but it's not the only player in the game. Thanks for watching, and if you want to take advantage of that exclusive offer, check out the link below for the best free trial and special benefits just for you.